I'm going to show you how to easily test one of these safety switches. Like this. On your lawnmower, or pretty much any safety switch that you're going to find on a mower. Right? So this, you got pushed in. These two, you're going to need a multimeter. So you're going to have one side that does not make all contact, like this. When you push this in, it should beam. So that side's good. This side should always make contact until the button is released. Button's pushed in. That's a good safety switch. Now some of them are oriented different, where it's this side and this side. Kind of like that. But most of them are going to be right across from each other. So this is a good safety switch. Both sides are working.